Hello guys and gals. Today is Christmas Day and I'm going to be unboxing one of my Christmas presents. Poopsie slime surprise with my mom. Get in the picture.
Hi.
Okay. So
it says here that...
it needs to be unrolled here.
Wait, you have to read it. What does it say?
It says unrolled here.
No. It says, make unicorn poop, slime surprise, Poopsie.
Yeah.
And then on the back it says...
Make slime, add magic, change the color, collect and store slime inside keychains.
I guess the keychain's probably in there, and we have to unroll it
Yeah.
from that sticker. Do you want me to get started?
These,
Yeah, her nails are so long.
they don't help me with anything.
Just looking beautiful.
Yeah. Okay, I can do the rest.
All right, there you go. Oh, looks like there's
The
directions.
first surprises are in store. It says unicorn food. They legitimately have unicorn food in here. I guess that will be.
What makes it colorful?
No, I think that's a part of it. I think we're gonna need that. Now, our second surprise, unicorn magic. I wonder what that is. Okay, now this is surprise scent,
Ooh, it's scented.
and it's a surprise. And this is
one?
the magic spoon. Let me tear it there.
So, where's the direction?
What's next?
Okay, wait, you gotta turn it to open it. To unlock it. See, there's like a lock thing on
Yeah.
top.
What's this?
And then there's... But wait, there's more.
But wait, there's more. There's like more of the same stuff. Okay, so there's unicorn sparkles.
Directions.
Oh, we needed those.
Here's the scissors so you can open that stuff.
Okay, so let's open this. It's brown.
It says junk foodie duties.
Junk foodie duties.
Early bird turds. I guess these are the different ones that you can collect.
Yeah, the different ones you can, like turds of paradise, like the pineapple turds and the watermelon turds.
Okay, so I guess we need this container.
And the disco doo-doos. Okay, we need that container.
Open your bottle. Each bottle opens differently. Most bottles have a tab to lift. Find your surprise bottle shape below to see how it opens. So we got this one.
We opened it already.
We opened it.
Yeah.
Now, remove the lid from the bottle included. Yes.
Yeah, we did that.
Fill the measuring cup to the fill line marked 15 milliliters with water and pour it into the bottle. Then fill and repeat once more. Total 30 milliliters of water.
What is the measuring? I thought I saw that. I think
It should be inside. But there's holes.
maybe this is the wrong thing.
Open this.
We're not going by direction.
Maybe she can get it. There's your container.
There, I opened it already. It looks like a brown chocolate.
Oh, it's a chocolate milk carton.
It's a chocolate milk carton.
What's this?
Milk 2%.
Is this your keychain? Shut up! It's your keychain!
Oh my god! It comes with a cap.
So you can put it on your school bag.
Yeah, it says it stores slime too. So when I make the slime,
It keeps your poop fresh.
yeah, poop.
It says missing. Have you seen me? And it's poop.
Maybe that's like the ultra rare.
I think you should have it like this.
Okay. Maybe this is like the ultra rare one. Last seen in the toilet, missing since after lunch. If found, please call 123 too much. I think this is like the ultra rare poop, or this is just like a big
What is
joke.
that?
I think this is what we're supposed to be.
Oh, mixed stuffing. Oh, yeah, that's what you mixed up. So let me get some water.
Yeah, let's get some water.
We should use your iPad to do the, what do you call it? Filming, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Do you want to start over with the iPad?
No, it's fine. Okay.
So, wait a second. We need this, right? And we didn't even open that. That's a surprise scent. Should we wait?
Yeah, let's wait.
Okay, so remove lid from the bottle.
We did it.
Fill the measuring cup to 15 milliliters.
Do you know what that is?
To the line.
We did a little bit over the line.
It's okay, I'll do
We
it.
put it inside the chocolate milk.
Here, turn it towards me so you can see what I'm doing.
Okay.
And then, repeat.
Don't spill it on the directions.
Okay, that's water.
Yep.
So that's 30 milliliters of the water. Then add 5 drops of the surprise scent. So the surprise scent, that's the magic spoon. Where was the surprise scent? Right here.
Okay. So let's open this baby.
How many? It says 5 drops. Let me get the plastic.
It's a unicorn cap.
It's so cool.
It's like so cool.
Alright, I gotta open it. Without cutting my hand.
Don't touch it.
Okay, so you're supposed to, hold on. It says add 5 drops of the surprise scent to the bottle. Which bottle? Which is the bottle? Is this the bottle?
Wait, it says.
Yeah, that's the bottle. Okay, so wait, I think you have to unscrew it. Does that unscrew?
Yeah, it unscrews.
So 5 drops.
1, 2, 3, 4. Can you do the last?
Oops, 5.
5.
6, 7. Whatevers. Okay, and then step 3. Tear open the unicorn food packet. That's the magic spoon. Unicorn food.
It says it right there. Right there. Okay. So how do we get this? Oh.
Scissors.
Okay.
Don't let it spill out. There you go. Okay, so then you are going to tear open the unicorn food packet and pour the powder into the bottle. Just did it open?
I didn't know unicorn food was powdery.
Just want to get it all. So I guess this is what would be happening if
Oh no.
that was the unicorn eating. Okay, then.
There it is. It's kind of dark. But it's like black.
Okay, so it's still liquid. Put it back. Okay, so step 4 would be tightly close the lid to the bottle. Does it screw on or just snaps on? Hold the lid and rapidly shape the bottle up and down for 1 minute. So we'll start in a couple seconds. So I know when the minute starts. Okay. La 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 unicorn Poopsie, we love it so much.
Keep
This
shaking.
keeps it fresh.
That keeps the poo fresh. So we can.
When it's a magic, go in the thing. We still have a spoon.
We don't know.
This is the coolest present ever. Except for that soft pillow that you got from Jess, which is really cool too.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas to all of you.
I think it's not the Christmas time where they are watching this.
It smells like unicorn blue.
Oh, some got out. It's
Ooh.
brown.
What color? I thought it was supposed to be magic. It smells like turds. Now I look like your gym teacher. All right, that's a minute. Okay, open the lid and remove the slime from the bottle. There should be slime in there. Wait. Oh, wait. Tightly close the lid. Oh, wait. Then let mixture sit for 10 minutes to allow the slime to harden. So we're gonna have to say goodbye for now, and we will give you the round 2, section 2,
Yeah.
phase 2
Yep.
in a minute. All right, love you. Bye.